Once upon a time there were 3 billy goats called Gruff. When the spring came, they longed to travel up to the mountains to eat the lush, sweet grass.
On their way to the mountain, the 3 billy goats Gruff had to cross a rushing river, but there was only one bridge across it, made of wooden planks, and underneath the bridge there lived a terrible, ugly troll.
Nobody was allowed to cross the bridge without the troll's permission. The smallest of the 3 billy goats Gruff was the first to reach the bridge. Chippity-chop, went his little hoofs as he trotted over the wooden planks. Ting-tong, went the little bell around his neck.
Who's that trotting over my bridge? Growled the troll from under the planks. Billy Goat Gruff, squeezed the smallest goat in his little voice. I'm only going to the mountain to eat this sweet spring grass.
Oh, you're not, said the troll. I'm going to eat you for breakfast. Oh no, please, Mr. Troll, played the goat. I'm only the smallest Billy Goat Gruff. I'm much too tiny for you to eat, and I wouldn't taste very good. Why don't you wait for my brother, the second Billy Goat Gruff? He's much bigger than me and will be much more tasty.
The troll did not want to waste his time on a little goat if there even was a bigger and better one to eat. All right, you can cross my bridge, he grunted. Go and get fatter on the mountain and I'll eat you on the way back. So the smallest Billy Goat Gruff skipped across to the other side. The troll did not have to wait long for the second Billy Goat Gruff. Clip, clop, went his hoofs as he clattered over the wooden planks. Ding dong, went the bell round his neck.
Who's that clattering across my bridge? Screamed the troll, suddenly appearing from under the planks. Billy Goat Gruff, said the second goat in a middle-sized voice. I'm going up to the mountain to eat the lovely spring grass. Oh, you're not, said the troll. I'm going to eat you for breakfast. Oh no, please, said the second goat. I may be bigger than the first Billy Goat Gruff, but I'm much smaller than my brother, the third Billy Goat Gruff. Why don't you wait for him? He will be more a meal than me.
The troll was getting very hungry, but he did not waste side appetite on a middle-sized goat of was an even bigger one to come. All right, you can cross my bridge, he rumbled.
So the middle-sized Billy Goat Gruff scrambled across to the other side. The troll did not have to wait long for the third Billy Goat Gruff. Tromp, tramp, went his great hoofs as he stumped across the wooden planks. Bong, bang, went the big bell round his neck.
Who's that stomping over my bridge? Roared the troll, resting his chin on his hands. Billy Goat Gruff, said the third goat in a deep voice. I'm going up to the mountain to eat the lush spring grass. Oh, you're not, said the troll, as he clambered up to the bridge. I'm going to eat you for breakfast. That what you think, said the biggest Billy Goat Gruff.
Then he lowered his horns, galloped along the bridge, and butted the ugly troll up went the troll into the air. Then down into the rushing river below.
So much for his breakfast, thought the biggest Billy Goat Gruff. Now what about mine? And he walked in triumph over the bridge to join his two brothers on the mountain pastures.